Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a really quick wig install, and I'm going to be giving you some tips and techniques on how to get these gorgeous, gorgeous wand curls. Y'all keep on watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sabrina Maria here with another video for you guys. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so that you can see more videos from me. And if you're a regular, hey girl, how you doing? So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get these voluminous curls. So the first thing that we're doing is installing this wig real quick. This is a wig that I got from alipearl hair. Listen, this wig is my favorite, absolute favorite. I absolutely love this wig. I'm sorry I didn't give y'all the details of this wig. I wore this wig when I went out of town and I didn't have time to make a video about it or anything like that. But I will leave the link in the description box if you're interested to getting it. One thing I will say, it is a T-part wig. And what a T-part wig is, it's not a full frontal. So I can only have a middle part. Like it has like an inch and side to side, and then there's like going back, it's like 4 to 6 inches or something like that, and that's it. And on the sides there's like 1 inch of lace. So I don't have versatility of parting it or anything like that. So as you can see, I just got my got-to-be. I put it in that middle, cup of sprays, blow dry it, melt it, baby. Okay. And so yes, that's basically all that I do. When I first put it on, I did do a ball cap method, but with this type of wig, I mean, I went through all of that, but I was like, this wig don't need all of that because you can't really do it. The purpose of a ball cap method is for it to be melted good and for you to be able to do a lot of different things with it. But with this, you can't do a lot with it anyway. But y'all, this color is so bomb. I absolutely love it. When I got it, it was a little bit more on the yellow and orange side. So I got that purple shampoo, left it on there for about 20 to 30 minutes, and it calmed it down a lot. So, and I got this look. So love it, bomb.com. I'm going to be using my curling wand by Duvolle. This wand is the bomb.com, let me tell you. So it comes in a box like this. Super cute. It's pink. I think they have black too. Not sure. But this is the pink one. And I like that it comes with a glove so you don't burn your hand. I've been winding my hair for a while, so I really don't need the glove. I don't ever use it. But it's super cute color, long cord. It's only one switch. So it does not have like where you can adjust like the temperature or anything like that. You just turn it on and y'all, it gets super hot. So you don't even need to really adjust the super temperature. It gets good to a good temp to really work. So I do like that too. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. I also like that the cord, it swivels in there so that you don't, it doesn't get tangled up or anything like that. So I like that. So to get these voluminous curls, I'm going to split my hair in half. As you can see, I put it to the side on one shoulder and on the other shoulder. And then I want the hair to kind of flow back. So I'm going to split the hair into sections, and I'm going to work on one side, and I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. So we're working on this side so y'all can see really good with the camera. And I'm just going to get a clip and clip it right up, okay? So I got my layer here, and what I'm going to do is I like to use Design Essential Silkening Spray. And I don't just spray it directly on the hair because it's going to make the hair look oily. Now this oil is very light. So I spray it on the comb and then I comb my hair. That's basically what I do. And it's like a sheen. It's lighter than oil sheen actually to me, because oil sheen can make it greasy. So I'm going to grab a section of hair. You don't want to grab too much. And I'm just going to wrap it around and twist it while I'm wrapping it. Okay. And I'm just going to hold it there for a few seconds. And however long you want is up to you, but you don't want to leave it on too long. I usually do about 15 seconds. And then what you want to do is hold it, because that hair is still hot. You want to lock that heat in there. You want it to dry in your hand like that when it's like kind of scrunched together, because that's the curl that it's going to hold. And as you can see, it's curlier than it was when I first let it go. Because if you let it go and then you let it, I said dry earlier. I meant cool down. If you let it go and you let it cool down while it's hanging, then that's the curl that it's going to have. So if you want the curls to be tighter, then you need to let it cool off in the tightest position that you can get it. And that's why I scrunch it up in my hand, so it can cool off in my hand and it's scrunched up. And so I can have a tighter curl and my curls can last longer. Okay, so that's the secret to getting some voluminous curls. You want to make sure you section it off right. You want to make sure that you hold those curls in there by holding it in your hand. Now, what some people do, they get pins and pin it after they have wrapped it around the wand. They get pins and they just clip it there and leave it there. And when they're done with their whole head, take all the clips out. You can do that as well. I didn't want to do all of that. I usually like to do that when I use a regular curling iron. I do that, but I usually don't do that with my wand. Okay, so I like wand look. What a wand look is going to give you is a nice beach wave look. Okay, and a lot of times you can, now if you want them to be even more loose, then you can grab bigger chunks of hair and it'll make it even more loose. It'll still have that wavy look, but it'll look more like a loose wave. But if you want it to be more voluminous, which is what we're going for, then you want to make sure you section your hair correctly and do it in layers. And you also want to make sure you're paying attention to how much hair you're grabbing and putting it on the wand at a time. Okay, so then also you want to make sure you're thinking about how you want the curls to fall. Like I said earlier, I want my curls to go back. I want them to flow away from my face. So as you can see, when I'm wrapping it around the wand, that's what I'm doing. I'm wrapping it away from my face. So that is why it is giving me, it's going to give me the look that I want. Okay. And on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to wrap it in the opposite direction away from my face. So I'm just going to continue this method on this side. Y'all keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. So I wanted to add, because I don't think I finished talking about it, that silkening spray that I use by Design Essentials. So the purpose of that spray is to give it a nice shine, and it also tames the frizz. I don't know if you guys ever deal with curly hair when you curl hair. After a while, because see, I don't sleep with this on. I don't sleep with this wig on. I take it off every night because I'm only putting the got to be on there in that one little spot. Take it off every night. And so I just kind of detangle if it is tangled a little bit, which this hair doesn't really tangle that much. And then I keep going. Well, that silkening spray kind of helps keep everything together, and it tames the frizz so it doesn't get frizzy and, you know, have that dry look. Okay. So that's why I like using that. You can get it at any beauty supply store that carries Design Essentials. All the ones where I live carry Design Essentials. You can order it offline. Super easy. It's not greasy, y'all. It's a very light mist that it has. So it's not greasy at all. Please do not think it's greasy. I'm not putting oil on my weave. And as you can see, and you'll see the end result, that my curls are not going to look oily. It's not going to weigh it down. It's like a weightless oil. Promise you. But it's going to be amazing. It's gonna be lovely. If you haven't already done so, go ahead on over to Instagram and follow me there. My Instagram handle is right down below. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, baby. Okay, support your girl. Y'all keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I'm getting down to the last piece for this side. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I'm wrapping it flat. I'm not twisting it. The first 2 times that I wrap it is not twisted, it's flat. And then I start twisting it and wrapping it around. The reason that I do that is so that I can have like a nice little bang look. And you'll see when it is done, it's going to kind of like on both sides look like a little bang look, like where it's not just curls just going all the way back, but it kind of is more flat in the front and then it gradually curls back away from my face. And you'll see when I'm completely finished why I did it like that. And I'm only doing it like that for the front pieces. The other pieces I completely curl all the way around while twisting it. But these two, the piece right here in the front and then on the other side, I wrapped it flat twice and then I twisted it. Okay, so we are almost done with this side, and then we're going to do the same thing to the other side of my hair, and y'all will see the finished product. Stay tuned for the coupon code also for that wand that y'all absolutely can get. Listen, do y'all see those curls? Bomb, right? Super cute, nice and tight. Like, that wand is awesome. So as you can see, all I'm doing is just running my fingers through the hair to separate the curls. You do not want to get a brush or a comb or anything like that to comb out the curls, because all you're going to do is loosen the curls even more. You don't even want to run your fingers through the curls too much, because then it's going to get loose and then it's going to be flat. It'll still be cute, but it won't have the volume that you may want it to have. Another thing I could do if I wanted more volume is to put another layer of curls more toward the top. But look at the bangs though, like look at the sides, it's flat. That's why I wrapped it flat twice and then twisted it. Got a nice light beat to my face. This is gorgeous, y'all. And it did not take me long at all. I didn't show the other side because I just did the exact same thing I did to one side. Y'all, this is so cute. I love this hair. It gives me summer vibes. These curls give me summer vibes, ready for this warm weather. It is just giving me a vibe, y'all. It's giving me a vibe. Coupon code is scrolling on your screen right now. Go ahead and check out Duvolle. Get y'all a curling wand. They also have flat irons. They all have all kind of beauty tools and things like that. Check them out. If you haven't already done so, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I thank you all for watching and tuning in. Until next time, y'all be blessed.